if you are a realtor or a real estate agent who has never run Facebook ads, and even if you don't know anything about Facebook ad, it is completely fine because this video is exactly for you. In this video, I'll show you how it actually works and also set up a seller campaign and show you step by step process how to create a campaign and also get more inbound inquiries. So this is how it actually works. You create an ad that is visible to people out there. For example, if I'm a person, I see your ad and yeah, I'm interested in like selling my house. Okay. Then I'll click into your ad and then I'll go to a lead form. Now, what is a lead form? A lead form is just few questions that I'll be answering so that I qualify myself and you get interested prospects. Now, this is just an example. Like these are some few questions. Why are you selling your house? Just to understand what is the real life event is just going on in their life. What are the reasons? Because these are the people who actually are going to take any decision further. So after that, filling all the details, I'll just fill my details and get a call from you. And yeah, obviously a realtor will reach out to me and might close me. So this is a step-by-step simple system that actually converts. Now let's get straight into the video and I'll set up a campaign right in front of you, a seller campaign that had generated good results for me and for my clients. So these are some booked appointments which we have gotten from same similar kind of ad campaigns. So you just need to open your, firstly, I just quickly shift my camera right here. Okay. So you need to click on ads manager. Just go and set up your ads manager. This is a fresh account I've created just for you to show you exactly how your ad manager would look like. So let's get straight into the video and start creating. Firstly, what you want to do is just create a new campaign and select leads and just continue. You need to name your campaign, make it as seller lead campaign. Now, okay. Now I'll go to campaign budget. I would suggest you to keep at least $20 to $25 per day budget to get a good result because giving less than $20, I guess, would be not good and you might not get good amount of leads and that is completely a waste of time, energy and also money. So we have seen this works for our clients better. So let's do it $25. Let's just keep it $20 for now. Uh, $20 a day. Now we'll scroll down and at category, we'll just select housing. Countries, we'll keep it same as it is and we'll go to the next section. Now just rename it to open and select page over here and keep it to instant forms. Make sure the performance goal is maximize number of leads and just keep it as it is. Now you need to select your targeting. You can also drop whatever your location is. Suppose this, it will automatically select that. Then leave this as it is. Leave all the things as it is and go next. Now I'll just select, I'll just go the side, leave all this as it is. Now name it as image copy one. You can also connect your Instagram account here and we'll come below and then we'll create form. Before creating forms, let's create image ad. For example, now I have some examples. Now I have some examples that are working currently. So for example, I select this. Art like this is currently working. I'll just add this. Also, if you do not know what kind of ads are working, what are not working, you can just send me a DM over my Instagram handle, or also you can send me a connection request and message on my LinkedIn. Links are below. I'll send you free guide on what is working and what ads creatives are not working. So we'll just continue now and create next. Now for text, now I'll just copy this ad copy and paste it here. Make sure it is, make sure everything is good. Now, art locations, you can add your own location, whatever art location you willing to run ads at. Headline, I'll just copy headline again. You can just add the headline here, add description, also the description. Make sure to keep this at learn more and click next. Learn more is mostly highest converting CTA while running Facebook ads. So now you just need to create forms to get a result, and you can just click on form and instant form and create your forms. Name it as seller form. Leave this as volume and turn this off and click next. Turn this off. Now here we can add the questions that we want to filter out and get better results. You can simply add few questions right here, and you can add more and more questions. I won't suggest you to add so many, like don't just spam it with a lot of questions. Keep it relevant questions only, like how soon you are looking to sell, or you could ask for location and different questions that are relevant. Add like everything like street name or zip code, whatever is best to get accurate results. Here you need to put full name, description. You can use this. We'll use your information to provide you price update. And here you will give full name, email, and phone number. Make sure to uncheck this and then simply click next. Now for privacy policy, you can just create one from ChatGPT, or you can also get this from your website. For example, I'll add my website here. This is not a big deal. You can do this from ChatGPT, and you do not need anything right here. So we'll just remove this and click next. Now form submission is done. Add this line here. Thanks, a member of the team will give you a call shortly. And for the description, you can add this. If you like your price update now, click the link below. Click the button below. Here you can add your calendar link or a survey link to capture more information, so they can just book appointments directly with you. On the survey, we would just get more extra information from them, like the property address, what's the reason to sell, or anything else, so that we can get more accurate information. The call to action could be price update. You can just check this to start a conversation on Messenger with whoever is interested in your ad, and we'll just click on publish. No, before we click on publish, make sure you go to settings and make sure to keep this open so that this could be shared with other people and they could just fill out their details on the form, and just click done and click on publish. And then you're just almost ready to go. From here, what I would do is just duplicate this and then just test another image here. So I'm just going to show you another art creative that works well. This is another art creative. Just click next here. And done. This is another art creative that works good. Also, other art creative that works good is one a kind of streetwise. There are different street names and area name, and accordingly area name with a map in background. I'll send you all of those art creatives that are working right now. You can just DM me on Instagram or maybe on LinkedIn, and I'll send it over to you, whatever is working right now in the market. Just make sure that you change the name here, the location name. You just change this. So from here, what we want to do is duplicate this. Click duplicate and create a new audience for different interest. We'll just scroll and use this in targeting option. First click to switch to original audio now option, and then click here and just continue. You're gonna put the location that you're targeting, and then add interest. I'll just quickly select the interest. These are some interests that we use, and then once this is done, just check everything quickly and you can click on publish and your ad is ready to publish and ready to run within the next 24 hours. Okay, so before I just end this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make sure that I clear all your doubts. So if you have any kind of doubts or queries, just drop a comment below and I'll make sure that I clear all your doubts. And if you want our help to build strategic marketing for your market, do check the link below in description and also in the pinned comments. You can book a call with us and I'll for sure provide you value over that call.